Boom, boom, boom. Here we go again. All right, so in this video, right quick, I'm gonna just hold on. I'm gonna show y'all how to mint an NFT to yourself or create an NFT using ThirdWeb. So you go to thirdweb.com and then this site right here pop up. You're gonna want to have MetaMask installed. That's a widget right here on your computer. You're gonna need a MetaMask account. So if you don't, go to MetaMask and download the widget. Make sure you download it on your phone so you can get your keys. Don't give anybody your passphrases ever, no matter what they say. You're gonna click on, just like I just did right there. You just click on Start Building. You know, if you want to go and you want to look down and have some information, you can click on these things and check this over here. Got some developer tools, some infrastructure, you know, to help you get started. Do a little bit of reading. Of course, they got the docs if you want to learn about different things, how to develop or build whatever. They got the documents right there. Okay, we're gonna go to start building. I already started a contract, but up here in your on your top, um, like sub bar or secondary bar, I don't know what you want to call it. You got home, contracts, program, storage, and RPC. We're gonna click on storage. Now, if you wanted to start a new contract, you would go right here to deploy contract. And then if you want to do ERC 721, which is like a one of one type deal. Well, it's the ERC 721 standard. We're not going to get into that right now. You have ERC 721 and you got ERC 1155. ERC 1155 is kind of like ERC 20 and ERC 721 combined in a way. It's like a hybrid. And a lot of people are using that, the standard. For mine, I'm using the NFT drop. It's ERC 721. And once you come here, once you click on NFT drop, you just go to deploy now. Fill out all this information and you click deploy now. Gotta pay some gas fees. Gotta make sure you fill all this stuff out. You have to have a name, an image, symbol, description. So mine said produced by RootCee, right? And I think I put, oh yeah, there we go. That's what I put for mine. And I had a description. Um, one of one NFT, blah, blah, blah. Right here, primary sales determine the address that should receive the revenue from the initial sales of the assets. And that's my contract. That's my wallet address right there, right? So then you can put in how much royalties you want to determine the address that should receive the revenue from royalties earned from the secondary sales of the assets. So you're going to be minting it, and or if you set it up where they also have things set up where you can go and you can create yourself a mint page, or so people can go and mint your NFTs if you want to upload one or multiple or however you want to do it, right? They have it really easily set up so you can go and get started with, creating yourself a mint page. But this determines what percentage you're going to get on the secondary market. So once somebody mints this, if they sell it to somebody else, you get 7% or 5% or whatever it is that you want to put, right? And if you're a developer, if you're doing this for somebody else, you come right here and this is where you will put your wallet so that you can get your percentage. Right here, you will put whoever you're developing the project for. This is who it goes to. Okay, and then you choose your blockchain or your chain you want to mint it on. We're going with Polygon because it has some cheap gas fees, and then you just click mint. But we already did that, so we're just gonna go back to contracts, and we're gonna choose the contract. See ERC 721 on Polygon. There's a few other things you got to do too. Once you get the contract, you have to go over. See, this is the picture that I put up, and that's the name. This is the description. That's the picture I put up in there. And then you will have to go over here to claim conditions. And you know what? Well, I'll show you right now because I got to do something else anyway. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go back to contracts. right here, and underway, produced by RootCee. So this is a contract right here, and these are the NFTs that are in this contract. I did this one earlier, right? This is the one I did earlier of the beat that I made last time. So we're gonna do another one. So we're gonna click on single upload. The name of this one is called Freshly Cooked. I got a file. Which one was it? This one. Whoop. So since I'm doing that, I will make the beat, right? And then that would be the cover image, right? Okay. So one one NFT produced by RootCee. All rights belong to NFT holder. Stems included, right? Okay. Oh wait, we're gonna open up another one because I need to copy some stuff right quick. Okay, so let's go to start building because there's a few things that I wanna copy some things right quick from this right here. All right. Okay, so the name. Okay, because that's the property traits right here. This is what's gonna create the metadata when you upload it, right? So this is how it's going to write the metadata. This is how it's going to show up when you go to OpenSea. OpenSea. See, I did all this so I can show all y'all how easy it is to do this. If you're a musician or somebody, or if you're just an artist, somebody looking to learn how to mint NFTs. This is real simple stuff. Okay, so right here, you see how it has artwork name, creator, genre, or artwork name, creator, genre, name, right? So the artwork name is Bright Ideas, and I said Bright Ideas because it is like just something quick, simple. I put a little write up in there, so it tells you about the collection since it's the first one. Creator, RootCee, genre, hip hop. Name of the beat is called Underway. Okay, so that's what we're about to do right here. So we need the name. Name of the beat is called Freshly Cooked. And then I think the second trait that we're gonna have is creator. Okay. Creator, RootCee, and then next one is Shauna, and we're gonna go hip hop. Nah, this one is more rap, not really hip hop. And then artwork name, and we can call this one. Mm, let's see, West Coast Matrix. Yeah, we call this picture the West Coast Matrix. Okay. So then you got some advanced metadata settings. So right here, this external URL, this is the URL that will appear below the asset's image on OpenSea. Want to allow users to leave OpenSea and fill the item on your site. Hmm. I want to add something else. Inside the metadata. I know how I do it. see. Not. I'm gonna upload file. I don't know what that does. I don't know. I'm just kind of looking at these different things here. Okay. So yeah, I'll show you how we'll do it then. So then we're gonna go to let's make sure the right one. Let's just make sure that we got the right one. Press the cook. Okay. This would be the background color. You put them like the pound and 00000 or whatever. This is the URL that will be here below the assets image on OpenSea and will allow users to leave OpenSea in the field the item on your site. So that's not what we want either. Yep, I was trying to see how you would add the metadata to the yeah, you know what? I think it might be better if I did ERC. Let's see. Let's go to Rarible. Because there's something that I want to do right quick, and this would be good for everybody to see right now how we figuring this stuff out, right? I think so. So when we go to Rarible, I'm going to show you guys something. When you go to Rarible, some of these NFTs, like this one, this is ERC 1155. Not this one. Some of them like, let's see. Oh, this one, I think. This one. No, over here. And I don't know what this one does. Some of them, I don't know. Well, I thought it did, but I guess not. They have an option to add unlockable content. It's like yesterday, and now it just seems to have disappeared. It's very strange. Well, in that case, that's very strange because they had it so you could add unlockable content. Now it's not there. Hmm. Okay. Well, in that case, we have another option to add some unlockable content. Go over here to Telly. Telly, the nice site that I'll be using. tell.ie. That's how you get to the site. So, profile. Oh, wait, let's go to my pages. Started one earlier. We can just use that one. No, you know what? We'll cook up a whole new one. Yeah, we'll start from scratch. I like to start from scratch. All right, so then we're just going to edit this right quick, and we're just going to add a link right here. On the link, we're going to put files for stems. And then right here, see, I uploaded these to ipfs using nft.storage. And I just took the whole entire file, bounced the files down, just the different tracks for the song. And it just has a piano, some bass, like a synth or a lead, and then some drums, right? And I just bounced those down, each one of the tracks, into a separate WAV file, into a folder, and then I uploaded that folder to the IPFS server, and it gives me this link right here. So if I copy this link, right, and then I go back here, plug that in, and then boom. There you have the stems. Let's see. Click here, the stems. Okay, and we'll click done. All right, and then details. Um, Partially cooked stems. Okay, and this freshly cooked NFT produced by RootCee. Okay. Use this file right here for the thumbnail, and then we'll get everything in. Okay. Then we'll go to design, and we'll go down here, and we'll exit out of this, and we'll actually take this right here, this photo, that picture. There we go. There we go. Make it a little dim. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. And if you want, you can add more tiles. You can add more stuff. You can add images, audio. If you got pro text, shop code, like you can take, for instance, here, let me show you. Okay, so let me just go ahead and make this right quick. So back on ThirdWeb, after you put in all that information and you got everything right, you can go ahead and mint it. Oh wait. Let me make sure I'm on the right chain here. Yeah, I'm on the right one. Polygon. Okay, so I guess this is just taking a little minute. Is it? I don't know why it's taking so long. See, this is 4 cents to mint on Polygon. 4 cents. You know, sometimes it's cheaper than that. This is pending. Pending. Done this. Okay. So now this one is minted. I've officially created it. And if we press play, see it with the data, post matrix, wrap, RootCee, freshly cooked. Okay. All right. So I want to go to claim conditions. I can go phase one, and I can say favorites, right? Hold on. Let me reject this real quick. I want to see something. I want to see something right quick. Okay. Oh yeah, I can just update it right here. Yeah. So later I'm gonna come here in the description and put the different things in there. I think I might do a couple more beats in here and then figure out another way to do this to show everybody. Because what I want to do is I want to be able to put the updatable um, information, the unlockable content on the actual NFT, so that when you go, and I'm trying to figure out how to do it on Polygon on Ethereum. See, that's easy to figure out on Ethereum, but for Polygon, I'm trying to figure out a different way to do it. I thought that I was going to be able to go on Rarible and be able to like basically just click one of these, and then it will be something that says uploadable content, but it doesn't have that option. It had the option earlier, but something must have changed in the process, and so that's why I was also trying to see if maybe one of my other ones would allow me to do that, like it did. Oh, you know what? Let me see. Nah, I'll do it later. Let's just get this going right quick. Let's just finish this out. Okay. Do spider. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go back to freshly cooked, and this is gonna be token number one. Okay. Let's go to claim. Oh, can I claim it? Claim NFT. Oh yeah, it's gonna let me claim it. And my claim conditions are. Oh, what happened? Let's see, we have to go. Oh yeah. Wait, what did it say? Okay. Whoops. Let me go to claim conditions. This one, and we're going phase one, anybody one matic two. Okay, make sure everything's correct. This is the name of the phase. You can change it to whatever you want. How many NFTs will you drop in this phase? We're dropping one. How many who can claim NFTs during this phase? Any wallet, or you can also choose any wallet with overrides or only specific wallets, like a whitelist type of deal. And it says anyone claim based on the rules defined. So public man, that's what you'll put right there. And then you have a setup right there. You can choose different phases and how many NFTs can be claimed per wallet. Okay. And this is just it just says when the mint starts right here. Okay. So we're gonna go save. Gotta pay a little gas to actually set it up. Okay. Let's confirm it on the blockchain. Do, do, do. Okay, so now that it's saved, I'm just gonna go back over here to NFTs on this and whoop, should be able to claim now. Click claim. Mm, quantity. Mhm. Well, go back to claim conditions. Add phase. Mm, I'm gonna trust this one. I think I should be able to reuse this one. Because I said it. Now let me go to NFTs. You see, I'm new to this just like everyone. Anybody can come in here and figure this out. Address. No. Troubleshooting now. So it says chain, matic, root cause, quantity. Okay, let me see. Let me go back to claim conditions. Total. Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe I need to go claim how many NFTs. We dropping this phase. One. We can claim NFTs to this phase. And let's do unlimited. All right, let's try that. Yeah. 1 cent to mint. Okay. It's working. Stinking. I'm drinking. Perfect timing. Let's try it again. Let's go with claim. Claim NFT. See if it gives me a problem again. Still giving me a problem. On max supply. Huh. Let's try to go unlimited. There we go. Okay. Yep. This is my first time minting a double token or another token. I just figured out how to. I just was walking through this earlier. I was like, you know what? Let me just figure this out. I heard about ThirdWeb. I was using Manifold, and usually I just use Remix and and OpenSea or Open Zeppelin Wizard. You know what I mean? And I was like, you know what? Let me figure this out. So I figured this out in 2 cents. This is going up. Wow, I can't believe they're charging me 2 cents. If this don't work, I don't know what it is, but I think that's it. Seems like it's it. But let's see if we did it correctly. And it says it went through. Let's look at the transaction. Token ID number 1. So now we can go to OpenSea. Right, and we go to profile, boom, freshly cooked. It's right there. So I believe since these are all part of the same contract, right? They're all going to be under produced RootCee. I gotta come over here and do this. And here goes another beat. Underway and freshly cooked. Right? So then right here in the description, I'm gonna update this and I'm gonna put the files that are gonna go. This right here, tellie. See this right here? Okay, so let's close this out because the stems are right there. So we're gonna go to access. We're gonna go private. It's not public no more. It's private. So we're gonna require a token. Okay. And we're gonna go to manage access requirements. We're gonna create access and the name is this one is gonna be freshly cooked. Okay. And you gotta hold an NFT. Oh, Chili drop. Seacon collection. Polygon. And so then we just need the contract URL. Let's click right here and details. contract. Let's copy this. Let's go back to tellie, and we'll just put that in right here. Um. Oh, okay, okay. I see. I see. So it has to be not this one. It's gonna be this one. Because it looks like with tellie, you got to put the actual OpenSea URL in there, right? But you know what? I don't like that. I don't like that. We're gonna go. We're just gonna choose the contract address. Polygon. Enter it right here. That's the contract address. Make sure that's correct. It ends in C9D8. All right, let's make sure. C9D8. Yeah, produced by RootCee. C9D8. And this is token number one, I believe. So I think open ID is number one. Okay. All right, so then we click done. And so basically what this should do is you gotta have this token in order to see freshly cooked by RootCee. You gotta have that one in order to come here and get the stamps. You know what I mean? So cooked, switch the code, done. All right, if we click on this, yep, takes us right to there. Okay. All right, looks like we're ready to publish this. Let's publish it. All right, and then copy link. Here we go. And then we go back over here, right? Say links for stems, right? And then we do like this, and we go freshly cooked, right? And then we put that right there. So then we update the metadata. Right? So it costs us a little gas. But you can upload the metadata so that when they go to OpenSea or any marketplace to view it, wherever it's at, in the information on the settings or the description, it's gonna have that link. So let's see how it looks. Let's see if it popped up already because before it wasn't there. Remember I said I had to add it. So let's go to the contract. And still not there. It may take a while. Yeah, so it may take a little bit for it to get up there, but it'll get there eventually. See freshly cooked. Yeah, it'll update eventually. I think it just needs a little time to do its thing, right? But if we go to this page right here, like if anybody comes here, they ain't gonna be able to enter here and get this anyway. You know what I mean? Because you gotta have to connect your wallet, and then you're gonna have to say that you own one. It's gonna take you to MetaMask, and then it brings you here, and it says click here for stems, and then boom, there you are right there, right? So that's how that's gonna work. And once that updates, I'll make sure that I put everything in the top part up here, and then I'll do another video later figuring it out. So yeah, that's how you mint an NFT on ThirdWeb. I don't know how long that took me, but I didn't use no tutorials. And so now there's two tokens. I'll go on there and update the second one in a minute where I make the second page for this one and upload the stems and all that different stuff. Yeah, I'll do that and then that'll be available as well. So OpenSea produced by RootCee. It's just a quick little tutorial on ThirdWeb. Y'all saw me having to troubleshoot stuff because I didn't like this. I'm just doing this, just figuring it out. So yeah, if you got any questions, hit me up. Um, Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe.